Alright, so we've got a little problem here. We can't actually close the door. So this is a pretty simple fix. If this happened to you, all you're going to need is a screwdriver. Now all we're going to do, turn around. That's it. Put the door. So now we'll put the doorknob back on. Opposite as well. Put this through this half moon crescent looking thing there. We're gonna line that up so the half crescent moon shape fits over this portion right here. And what we essentially need to do is line the screw that we just put into the hole into the casing on either side. You can see them right down there.